Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. For those who are new to Teamup Calendar, this is a basic tutorial on how to navigate through it to use it more efficiently. So first, when you click the link, this is the page you'll see. It always opens on the current date view. And you can see the date on the top center, and this red line shows the current time. And if you'd like to change the time zone, then you can click here on the bottom right. For example, I'd like of Berlin, the time zone of Berlin. Now you can see the time zone has changed, and now I'd like to change it back to Riyadh. If you'd like a schedule for a specific date, you can click here and you will find it. Now you can see the schedule of 19th June. And if you'd like to view this calendar in a different way, you can click here. Week, month, year, agenda, list, table. Now in each of these views, you will find colorful entries. These are the courses and lectures. If you'd like to see the detail, you can simply click here. Now you can click here on this double arrowed sign. After you click it, you will find the sub-calendars. For example, you're not interested in one-time lectures. You can click here, and now you can see from the main calendar, one-time lectures has been hidden. If you'd like to make it visible, you can click on it again. That's about it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.